Hi, Dr. Jitesh Shinde welcomes you to my channel Learning Made Easy. In this session, we shall be discussing signed binary numbers with a more emphasis on two's complement approach. Signed binary numbers. Techniques used to represent signed binary numbers, that is integers, are sign magnitude approach, one's complement approach, and two's complement approach. To have a clear understanding of sign magnitude approach and one's complement approach, please refer my previous two videos. In this session, we shall be discussing only two's complement approach. Two's complement approach. The representation scheme used to represent positive number using two's complement approach is similar to the approach adapted in sign magnitude approach and one's complement approach. Two's complement approach differs only in the representation of the negative numbers. That is, negative number, that is, first step, to represent a negative number, first step we need to follow, represent plus x in sign magnitude form. Let this result be denoted as y. Take one's complement of y to get y bar. Add 1 to y bar. The result will represent the two's complement representation of minus x. Let's see with an example. First, we will be seeing plus 7 representation using two's complement approach. Assume that we are using n equal to 4-bit signed binary representation scheme. Okay, so here number is positive, so at MSB bit we are writing 0. Sign bit, this is our sign bit. S is equal to 0 indicates the number is positive. S equal to 1 indicates the number is negative. Positive 7, 0 has been written here. Remaining n minus 1 bit, that is 3 bits, will represent the magnitude of number, that is 111. Okay, in this way, plus 7 representation in signed binary number using two's complement approach, answer is 0111 to the base 2. Now let's see the negative case of minus 7. Okay, let's see the case for minus 7. Let's find the minus 7 answer using two's complement approach. First step, represent plus 7 in sign magnitude form. Okay, so our answer is 0 1 1 1. Just now we have seen this. Step 2. Step 2, invert, find one's complement of plus 7. We are representing this as by, say, y bar. This y bar is equal to 1 0 0 0. Step 3, add 1 to y bar. Y bar plus 1 will give us the result 1 0 0 0, 1 being added. So what we are getting here, 1 0 0 1. This is our answer for minus 7 decimal, okay, using two's complement approach. What's the step we are being followed here? Plus to find two's complement of minus 7. First step, represent plus 7 using sign magnitude form. Step 2, obtain one's complement of plus 7, that is y bar. Step 3, add 1 to y bar. It will give the two's complement representation of minus 7. Okay, same has been written in the slide. Next example, represent following decimal number x is equal to plus 39 in two's complement form using 7-bit representation scheme. Okay, so plus 39, the representation scheme of a positive number in sign magnitude approach in 1's complement approach as well as in 2's complement approach for positive number representation is same. Okay, the answer for positive number, if represented using sign magnitude form, 1's complement approach or using 2's complement approach, the answer will be same. Okay, here the first bit number is positive, the MSB bit will be 0 here, remaining bit here will be representing here the magnitude. Okay, you can find the magnitude by using divide by 2 approach, which has been taught in number system conversion. Okay, you can refer that particular video how the magnitude can be obtained using divide by 2 approach for the integers. Now here I am using the logic of binary code 32 16 8 4 2 1. Okay, here I am tracking which combination of which digits will be giving me 39. So 32 plus 4, 32 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is giving me 39. So digits which are giving me 39, okay, in the addition, okay, corresponding to that digit 1 has been placed here. The digits which are not involved in the addition, corresponding to that 0 has been placed. 0, this 0, 69 8 not involved in the addition. So in this way we are getting the magnitude of 39. Okay, thus the plus 39 answer using 2's complement approach is 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Let's see next example. Okay, before going with the next example, let's see some rules related to binary addition. Okay, in addition, while adding binary numbers more than 2, okay, 2 or more than that, okay, first rule, carry is generated for every pair of 2 ones, and the addition operation gives the result 1 if the number of ones are odd. Result is 0 if the number of ones are even. Let's see with the example. Okay, here 1 plus 1. Okay, and what we have written here, carry is generated for every pair of 2 ones. So here 2 ones are coming, so here I have written 1 here. Okay, now next rule, what say, addition operation gives the result 0 if the number of ones are even. So how many ones are here? 2, means even. So the result here will be 0 and 1 carry is being generated, it will be forwarded here. So the result here we are getting 1. Next example, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many ones here are there in black color? 3 ones, means number of ones here are odd. So the addition of 3 ones will give us the result 1 here. Now next rule, what say, carry is generated for every pair of 2 ones. This is a first pair, corresponding to this pair this 1 carry is being generated. So this carry is being propagated here. So the result here we are getting 1 1. Okay, similarly here 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many ones here are there? How many ones are this one? These are 4 ones. The number of ones here are even. So result of this 4 ones addition will be here 0. Now for every 2 ones, one carry will get generated. So 1 is getting generated because of this pair. This one is getting generated because of this pair. Okay, now adding these 2 carries, 1 plus, how many carries here are generated? 2. So number of ones here are even. So result here again here is 0. Okay, after that again these 2 ones will generate 1 carry, this one. Okay, this carry is propagated here. Thus the final result here we are getting 1 0 0. Another example. Okay, here we are adding 1 2 3 4 5 ones. Number of ones are odd, so result here is 1 at this place. Okay, every 2 1 will generate 1 carry. Because of this 2 1 this carry is being generated. Because of this 2 1 this carry is generated. Every 2 1 generates 1 carry. So there are 2 carry here. Okay, 2 ones are here. Adding these 2 ones means even number of ones, result here 0. This 2 carry, okay, this 2 1 will generate 1 more carry. Okay, so 1 is written here, 1 will propagate here. Thus the addition of 5 ones, 1 2 3 4 5 1, okay, 5 ones gives us the result 1 0 1. Okay, these are the binary addition rules which we need to remember, which we will be using while solving the numericals based on 2's complement approach. Let's go with the example x is equal to minus 38, okay, in 2's complement approach. Here it has been specified use 7 bit to represent the number. Okay, so first step, First step is represent. We need to find minus 38 representation using 2's complement approach. So first step, represent plus 38 in sign magnitude form. Okay, so number is positive, so MSB bit here has been 0 here. Okay, remaining bits, okay, remaining bits will give the magnitude of the number. Here I am using the logic 32.86421 to find the magnitude of 38. Okay, to get 38 we need to add 32 plus 4, 36, 36 plus 2, 38. Thus only here 32, 4 and 2 are involved in the addition to get 38. So corresponding to 32, 1 has been written, corresponding to 4, 1 has been written, corresponding to 2, 1 is coming here. The digits which are not involved in the addition, corresponding to those digits, we are placing here 0. In this way, this magnitude for the 39 is being obtained. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, what is the next step? Take 1's complement of y. Okay, this sign magnitude representation we are representing by y. Find 1's complement of y, means invert each bit, means we will be getting 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This we are representing as y bar. Same thing has been written here. Okay, now add 1 to this. This is our y bar. This is my y bar written here. Okay, add 1. Okay, same using the addition rule. How many 1s are here? 2. For every even number of 1s, okay, the result will be 0 and 1 carry will get generated. So 1 has been placed here. 1 propagated here. Remaining bits we are copying as it is. Thus, the minus 38 using 2's complement approach representation is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is our answer. Okay, next example. Next. Now let's see the 2's complement approach, okay, for n equal to 4 bit representation. This is the tabular format, tabular way. This table gives us the idea, the possible combinations, okay, all possible combinations which can be represented using 2's complement approach for n equal to 4 bit signed binary number. Okay, plus 0, this is plus 0, so MSB bit is 0, remaining 3 bits represents the magnitude. Say plus 4, 1, 0, 0 gives the magnitude, number positive, so 0 has been written here. Okay, if we invert this, okay, if we find the plus 4, let's invert let's find the 1's complement of plus 4. Answer we are getting here is 1, 0, 1, 1. The answer here we are getting 1, 0, 1, 1. This is 1, 0, 1, 1. Let's add 1 here. What will be getting here? 1 plus 1, 0, carry is generated. 1 plus 1, 0, carry is generated. 1, 1. So 1, 1, 0, 0 is the representation for minus 4. Same has been written here. Minus 4, okay, representation using 2's complement approach, answer is 1, 1, 0, 0. Same by using the same approach, you can find the 2's complement of minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 as well. Okay, now here this table gives us one more idea that 0 is having only one unique representation, 0, 0, 0. Okay, let's find the 1's complement of 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0. This is the representation for plus 0. If I find the 1's complement of this number, what I am getting? 1, 1, 1, 1. Add 1 to this. What the answer will be getting? 1 plus 1, 0, carry is generated. 1 plus 1, 0, carry is generated. 1 plus 1, 0, carry is generated. 1 plus 1, 0. Okay, final carry, ignore this carry. Okay, now what this 0, 0, 0? We have started from 0, 0, 0 and again we are ending with 0, 0, 0. Okay, this indicates that 0 is having one unique representation in 2's complement approach, only one. In sign magnitude and in 1's complement approach, there were two representation format for plus 0 and minus 0. Okay, thus the drawback here for the ambiguity associated with the representation for 0 is eliminated in 2's complement approach. Okay, one more thing here, how the 2's complement approach differs from sign magnitude approach and 1's complement approach. Here minus 8 is coming. Here minus 8 is coming. 8, let's write 8 here. 8 means 1, 0, 0. Let's find the 1's complement of it. The answer will be getting 0, 1, 1, 1. Add 1, what we will be getting? 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry 1 generated, so 0 here, again carry generated, 0 here, okay, so again carry generated, 1 here. We have started from 1 0 0, again ending with 1 0 0. This 1 0 0 is 2's complement of plus 8, okay, 2's complement of plus 8 means I can say that this 1 0 0 is my answer, say minus 8 representation. Using 2's complement approach, the answer is 1 0 0. Okay, here here it has been decided, okay, only minus 8 will be represented, okay, if the representation scheme followed is n equal to 4. Okay, if we want to include plus 8 in this approach, then the number of bits required will be n is equal to 5. It has been arbitrarily decided that minus 8 representation should be included in n equal to 4 representation scheme using 2's complement approach. Okay, if we want to go with plus 8 representation, then the number of bits required should be 5. Okay, thus the range of n equal to 4 bit integers represented in sign magnitude form is minus 2 to the power n minus 1. Because of the inclusion of this minus 8, the range here is minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 8 to plus 7 in decimal format. Okay, the range for sign magnitude and 1's complement approach is minus, okay, the range there was minus for negative side, minus 2 to the power n minus 1, okay, minus 1. Now in 2's complement approach, this minus 1 is not coming here. This is the major difference, okay, between 2's complement approach compared with 1's complement and sign magnitude approach used for the representation of sign magnitude numbers. Thus, advantages: 2's complement approach does not provide 2 representation for 0. Just now we have seen 2's complement approach covers up to minus 8 in the negative side in the 4-bit pattern, not present in sign magnitude and 1's complement approach. Hence the range for the 2's complement using 2's complement approach for signed binary number n bit is minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. Here the boundary between positive and negative number is arbitrary. Why minus 8 is being included in n equal to 4 bit representation and why plus 8 not included? Here the reason is quoted here. The boundary between positive and negative number is arbitrary, but by convention all negative numbers have leftmost bit, that is most significant bit of 1. Therefore the most positive 4-bit number is 0 1 1, okay, that is 7 to the base 10, and the most negative is 1 0 0, that is minus 8 to the base 10. Okay, now let's see an example. Okay, add plus 28 with minus 28. Okay, plus 28 you can obtain using sign magnitude or 1's complement approach or 2's complement approach. In all the cases the answer will be same. Okay, so here 6-bit representation to use is being asked. So the answer for plus 28 is 0 1 1 1 0 0. Now minus 28, we need to find minus 28 using 2's complement approach. Okay, so here minus 28 plus 28 we had obtained. Okay, so 1's complement of plus 28, okay, we are getting here 1 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, 1's complement of plus 28 has been, we had got here. Now we need to add 1 to this, that is 1 0 0 1 1. 1 is being added here. So the answer here will be getting 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry is being generated here. Okay, 1 plus 1 0. Okay, this will again 1 carry going to be generated here. 1 plus 1 plus 0, so answer result here is 1. Okay, so 0 0 1. Okay, thus minus 28 representation is using 2's complement approach is 1 0 0 1 0 0. Let's add to this number. Let's see what happened. Next slide. So plus 28. Okay, representation was 0 1 1 1 0 0. Minus 28 using 2's complement approach, the representation is 1 0 0 1 0 0. If we add these two numbers, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 2 ones will generate 0. Okay, carry is being generated here. Okay, 1 plus 1 0. Okay, carry is being generated here. 2 ones, so result will be 0, carry will generate here. Okay, 2 ones 0, carry will get generated here, and this carry we are writing here. Okay, this carry we are discarding here. Okay, now what's the rule here? It is said, if carry is equal to 0, if carry is equal to 0, carry generated from the MSB bit addition. This is our MSB bit addition. This is our MSB bit addition. If carry is equal to 0, carry generated from MSB bit addition, then the result is negative and it is in 2's complement form. If carry is equal to 1, if the MSB bit addition is generating 1 here, okay, in this case this MSB bit was generating a carry here, okay, this carry is being discarded. Okay, here the result we are assuming to be a positive number. We are following the rule. If from the MSB bit addition, if carry is equal to 1, then the result is positive. This has been illustrated with this example. Okay, thus the addition, one more conclusion here we can draw. The addition of a number, okay, say x, and its complement always give 0 at the output. Okay, what the result we are here we are getting 0. Okay, ignore the MSB carry generated. X plus 2's complement of x, that is x plus minus x, is equal to 0. Adding a number with its 2's complement will give the result 0. Okay, if carry is equal to 1 from MSB addition, then the result is positive. Otherwise the result is negative as it is in 2's complement form. Let's see an example of this. Minus 28, okay, plus 15. Okay, minus 28 plus 15. Here I am trying to add. Okay, add minus 28 and plus 15. The result we know that it is minus 13. Okay, minus 28, 2's complement of plus 28 is 100100. We have seen in the previous slide. Plus 15 representation 001111. Okay, if we perform the addition, what we have 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry is being generated here, 1 plus 1 0, carry is being generated here, 1 here, 1 here. From MSB bit addition, this is our MSB bit addition. From MSB bit addition, here no carry is getting generated. Okay, if here no carry is being generated, means here from carry is equal to 0. This means that here the result is negative as in 2's complement form. Here the result will not give us the exact magnitude. What the result we are expecting here? 13. Are we getting here 13? 13 representation is using 8421 code. What is the representation for 13 is 8. This 4 in 8 plus 4 12. This is our representation. Are we getting 1101 here? No, we are getting here 10011. Okay, so here since the MSB bit is 1, so the result is negative as in 2's complement format. So we need to compute the 2's complement of the result. Okay, so first step, invert each bit, find 1's complement. So here we are getting 0 0 1 1 0 0. Here it has been written. Add 1 to it, 0 plus 1 1. Okay, 0 1 1 0 0. Now what we are getting here? 1101. What was the result expected? 1101. Okay, in this way we are getting the actual magnitude, desired magnitude. Okay, thus here we need to remember that if the MSB bit addition is not generating carry, then the result is negative and it is in 2's complement form. To get the actual magnitude of the result, we need to find the 2's complement of the result. Now here perform the addition of minus 15 and minus 3. Okay, so minus 15 plus minus 3, we know that the result is minus 18. Okay, minus 15 representation here in 2's complement format I had written 110001, and minus 3 representation here I had written 4 times 1 0 1. On the addition, what the result here we are getting? On the addition, 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 1 0, carry is generated here, so 1 coming here, this one here, this one here, 1 plus 1 0, carry is being generated here, 3 ones means 1 here, here at the MSB bit is generating a carry here, and that has been reflected here. Okay, if the MSB bit is generating a carry, if the MSB bit addition is generating carry, we know that the result is positive. Okay, and here in this case we no need to find the 2's complement of a number. Moving forward, further from this addition, okay, the result here we have got 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. From this means here, since the MSB bit is generating a carry, so here in the result case we don't require to find the ones complement. Let's verify the result. Minus 15 plus minus 3, we know that we get it's minus 18. Okay, so 168421 code I am using to find plus 18. Plus 18 I can represent as 0. 16 plus 2 means 18. So corresponding to this digit I am writing 1. Remaining digits here I have been written 0. Okay, because of the how many bits are being used in the representation, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 bit representation here I am being followed here, I am following here. Okay, now obtain representation here I am being followed here, I am following here. Okay, now obtain the ones complement of this number. So ones complement here we are getting 1 0 1 1 0 1. Add 1 to it. Okay, the result we are getting 1 plus 1 0, carry here is generated, propagated here 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, this is 2's complement of this number. Okay, this number was representing plus 18 and this result is represents minus 18. Same number are we getting here? Let's check it. 1 0 1 1 1 0. Thus we can conclude that the rule which has been framed, okay, if a carry is being generated from the MSB bit addition, okay, the result will represent the actual magnitude. No need to compute the 2's complement of the result. But if the MSB bit addition is not generating the carry, in that case we need to find the 2's complement of a number. Here are techniques used to represent signed binary numbers. Other 2's techniques we have studied in the previous 2 videos. In this video, in this session, we have seen 2's complement approach, its advantages, and we had also gone through with few examples 2's complement arithmetic as well. Thank you.